In Hermann Hesse's novel Siddhartha, Siddhartha explains how seeking can lead to not being able to find or absorb anything. Seeking is to have a goal, but finding is freedom. Find your freedom at the Japanese Friendship Garden in Balboa Park. I am student member and former volunteer at the Japanese Friendship Garden in Balboa Park. I have also read a lot about Japanese gardens. Japanese gardens relieve stress by freeing the imagination. Three elements of Japanese gardens are miniature representations of nature, winding pathways, and intervals of space. Japanese Shintoism. In Japanese Shintoism, everything has a spirit. Mount Fuji is a god, and the sun is the goddess Amaterasu. Even the sea and the islands of Japan are gods and goddesses. Therefore, they are often represented in miniature. Mounds of earth can be piled up to represent Mount Fuji, or sand or gravel can be raked to represent the ripples of the ocean. Small water features can represent great rivers flowing into the sea. Boulders and stones can represent mountains and islands, or jumping carp, depending on the imagination of the viewer. Much is left to the imagination, and that is a lot of what relieves stress. Speaking of stress, stepping stones over water can symbolize the perils of life. This is the combination of the Japanese practical with the profound. Winding pathways also fill an ancient prescription. In legend has it that in Japanese legend, evil can only travel in a straight path. Therefore, winding pathways help trap and avert evil so one can escape. One can escape to intervals of space. Space or emptiness is important in both Japanese Buddhism and Shintoism. In Buddhism, emptiness is needed for contemplation. In Shintoism, space is needed for the kami spirits to move about. Space leaves room for the practical and profound, the worldly and the otherworldly, and scope for the imagination. Japanese gardens help relieve stress by freeing the imagination. Free your imagination at the Japanese Friendship Garden in Balboa Park.